Hey everybody, it's March 1st and it's Mark, and we're 1 month away from listing the house. And what we did here, took me about 3 days to get the pavers all straightened out. And what we did was we made them a little bit wider. They were too wide, and what we did was we put one in the middle. So we walked through this gate, just dying to show these off. Okay, there's the gate. This is not very long, and this angle wasn't here before. It was a very narrow channel up to here. This is the waterfall, and now we wrapped it around, making it wider. Let's turn around. There's fish in there, happy. So again, there's the walkway, and then it walks up here. To the patio. So I just washed it out to make it look nicer. There it is, huh? Wish we didn't have all that sunlight, but yeah. Looks pretty good. And here's our gate.